I'm gonna fix the headlight on my three-wheeler today. I hope you follow along. I'm gonna take this and make it look like something by installing this. Follow along. Join me as I share stories of my life as a kid, bringing junk home and turning it into something useful. Fact is, I'm still doing this today at age 69. Okay, what I see here is these two rods that come down that's attached to this that has these two little clips. And I'm assuming all I'll need to do is remove those clips on the three-wheeler, and this should slide out, and this one theoretically should slide right in. I've not done this before. So can it be fixed? Sure it can. Let's see what happens. Follow me along as I go through this process. We'll bring it right in over here to the three-wheeler. Let me get you down there where you can see what's going on. First thing I'm going to do is show you that the headlight does work. So let's turn it on. And you can see I have the bulb in there and it works just fine. It should. I put a new one in. Let's see if the brights work. Oh yeah. See that? That works. Okay, let's shut this off. You can't see it, but there's little clips right in here. Boy, I'm blinded now. Oh, that light was bright. Let me see if I can get these clips out. Let me get my light. There's one clip. We'll set it back here where I can lose it. That's what usually happens. Let's get that washer off of there if it comes. Oh yeah, there we go. That comes right off. Now let's go to the other side and see if we can get that one. Oh boy. Okay, now these should just pop right out of there, and it does, and then pull right up out of there. Look how, what? It's broken. Okay, here's the replacement light. I'm just going to turn that right out of there, put it to the side, and I'm going to get my chair here. What I thought about doing is dropping this and breaking it. Now that's not what I thought, but that's probably what's going to happen. Let me go at it and pull this back apart here. See, these just pull out. You can see that. And we will turn this in there. So that's good to go. We'll put this cover over the wires. We'll put it on like this, got more room. And then we will plug these back in. Color code it, green to green looks like. Wonder if I should put a little electrical grease on them. No, it's good enough. Well, maybe it isn't. Well, yeah, it is. Let's get it together. Come on. Oh, there we go. One. Blue. Together. And white. Together. And put this, slide this back over. All of that kind of helps protect it. Not really, but theoretically it's supposed to. And we'll put this right here. We'll snap that. We'll see if it works. Like high and low. Don't see much of a difference, but it's there. Okay, we'll take these clips off. Washers. Okay, there you can see it. It's on. I don't have the clips in yet, but I'll get them. Go ahead and test it again. Oh, wrong button. I don't like that. I guess I do. You can tell a difference if you're looking at the wall like I am. So that's working just fine. Okay, that's going to conclude installation of this headlight for the day. I appreciate you watching. Can it be fixed? Sure it can. Can you fix it? Absolutely. Hope to see you on the next one.